Hello and welcome to this week's guided meditation as we journey into the subconscious mind and learn to sink in to a deep state of being. As you live your waking reality from a state of being, utilizing the power of the present moment, trusting in the here and now. Deep peace becomes a foundation in your system, both physical and spiritual. When you can live from a place of being, there is a deep trust in the universe, a feeling of being held through grace and love throughout all of life's experiences, and an embodied way of living, moving, breathing from your heart. As you sink into today's meditation, allow your thoughts to simply dissolve. Do not try to control them, but rather focus on the sounds of my voice and the rhythmic music in the background. At any time, if you find yourself carried away by thoughts, return to breathe in, breathe out, be here now. Breathe in, breathe out, be here now. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Deep, steady, conscious breath. Breathing in through the nose and out through your mouth. As you imagine yourself walking down a beautiful desert path, red clay plateaus, a mixture of red and purple marbled into the earth, beautiful archways of this red stone, forming arches and structures. As you walk along the earth, you feel a deep sense of peace and calm. The heat warming your skin, the vast blue skies up ahead, the wide open red rock. And as you walk down this beautiful path, a deep red energy swirls through your system, grounding you deep into the here and now, grounding you into your truth, stability, anchoring you into the Earth Mother's love, breathing deep into this red energy. And as it swirls deep down from your toes into the base of the earth, a vibrant orange takes its place, filling you with life force energy, the nurturance of the divine feminine within you, opening and awakening to the flow of life, surrendered as your sensuality increases, Your creative inspiration dances through your mind, breathing into the here and now. As an electric yellow shines down through your being, activating your power center, your solar plexus supercharged, getting fuel from the powerful, sensual, creative energy below. Its foundation in the earth and the truth. You are free to choose here, standing in your sovereignty, your will leading the way. As a beautiful green rains down on you, opening and expanding your heart space as you sink into complete oneness with each and every part of this earth and existence. Feeling the frequency of love pulsate through every cell of your being, a bridge from the human to the ethereal, beginning your journey into pure, aligned embodiment. As a bright blue energy swirls through you, fully activating your authentic expression as your soul essence is fully free, empowered by divine will, a deep remembering of your truth, your gifts, your message to the world. Heart space open and centered, power center active. Space of creation fully fueled, grounded into the earth as a deep indigo wraps itself around you. As a rush of energy moves between your two physical eyes, all the knowledge of the universe is revealed to you now. Breathing in the intention to bring this Gnostic view of the world into your waking reality. As a final burst of color, a pure violet rushes down through your crown. Standing in your divinity, fully aware of source consciousness that you are, aligned, grounded into the earth, fully embodied, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth, noticing your feet back on the desert path. There's a beautiful black hole in a rock just a few paces ahead. Just as you go to enter this beautiful passageway, a desert bird flies down, landing on your left shoulder. She is here to impart her wisdom on your journey within. And just as you turn to thank her, you feel the rustle of a powerful lizard in all of his energy on your right shoulder, here as another guide on your journey today. With your two amazing animal guides on either shoulder, you begin your journey into the entrance of this beautiful red stone. As you enter in, you are surrounded by pure darkness. You feel safe here. Your two friends still on either shoulder, remembering your truth. You intuitively know there is a seat before you, an altar. As you sit before this altar, you feel reverence move through your body. Noticing the flicker of the light in between your two physical eyes a small acorn-shaped energy center where your third eye is pulsating, ready to reveal to you the knowing of your being. As you keep your gaze steady on this flickering light between your two physical eyes, breathing into the here and now, allowing the darkness to expand, noticing it is bigger and wider than the entirety of the room where you lie, allowing this expansion to fuel you, representing the entirety of the universe, breathing in to this darkness, focusing your energy on the flickering light in between your two physical eyes, breathing into the here and now, focusing on the flickering light in between your two eyes, breathing and focusing, flickering light between your two eyes. And as you sink into a complete state of being, allow yourself to sit centered, focused on the flickering light in between your two physical eyes for the next several moments. Continuing to breathe into the here and now, allowing yourself to become one with the vast energy around you, returning to source consciousness, your original state, as you sink into a deep state of being. And as you sit in this beautiful space, allow yourself to dream, to visualize, to be inspired by the possibility that awaits in your physical reality. Breathing this vision into your heart. Still in a deep state of being, your two animal guides now have a message for you, each one revealing sacred truths unique to you. First, listen to the offering of the beautiful desert bird sitting on your left shoulder. And now listening to the offering of the powerful lizard on your right shoulder. And as their message is complete, thank them for their guidance and protection here today. Breathing again into the here and now, focusing your energy on the flickering light between your two physical eyes. Remembering that as you live from this place of being that you experienced here today, you will be guided by your heart, guided by life happening through you as you surrender to your state of beingness. Anything is possible. As you stand up from the seat before the altar, taking one final bow in gratitude, allowing gratitude and appreciation to take root in your heart as you move forward on your life's journey, living from a heart-centered space, in awe and wonder of this beautiful life before you. As you step out of the entrance to the red rock, back onto the beautiful red desert landscape, revealing the archways and formations of the beautiful red stone, breathing in the desert heat as the bright blue sky drapes over you, standing fully in your power, rooted into the earth, plugged into the cosmos, fully aligned and embodied here and now. As you set the intention to walk in this state of being, as you arise in your waking reality, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth, as you begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, remaining in this state of reverence as long as you desire. Namaste.